Hello, class. My name is Velma Robinson, and I'll be your instructor for Education 1, Introduction to the Field of Education. Education is a multifaceted subject, and we will be touching on many of those subjects. We're going to study education from a historical perspective as well as a sociological perspective. We're going to see how society affects a student's ability to learn. We'll cover subjects like equity and equality in our schools, invisible privilege. We're going to cover standardized testing and how effective it is. We're going to learn to do lesson plans and a number of other things that are part of teaching. You will be able to make a presentation about a prominent educational figure in our country. I would also like to, at this time, just touch on the information regarding your textbooks. The textbook that we're using is Introduction to Teaching, Helping Students Learn. It's by James Johnson, and they can be purchased at a number of places online. Normally, we have them available at the campus bookstore, but with the campus bookstore and everything else being closed, you'll have to purchase them online. A few of the places where they can be purchased is textbooks.com, eBay, Amazon, and then your class reader is available at ZZ Copy. ZZ Copy is at 2431 Durant, right here in Berkeley, and they're open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Just ask for Don when you go in. So I'm really excited about the coming class. I'm excited about us getting to meet each other and know each other on Wednesday, and I'm looking forward to it. Hope to see you then.